Hello, wonderful people. A lady is looking for lifetime partner, husband for that matter. Please, if you are the husband, please show yourself now. Watch out and see what we roll out from the screen. It is her contact. It is her information. Look at it here. Amarachi from Imo State, or reside in Benin, working, 34 years old. Wow, the age is very nice. You will see the information, you see the contact. Please copy the information, copy the contact and contact her. You can call, you can come from any part of the world. You can come from US, you can come from UK, you can come from Europe, Australia, Lagos, you can come from Alibu, any part of the world. What matters is that you are going to be a good person. It doesn't matter where you come from, but be a good person and ready to settle down soon. So, dear people, please wish them luck. Pray for them so that they will encounter good thing and they will be happy, because Proverbs 18:22 say, he who find a wife finds good thing and shall obtain favor from the Lord. Then you are doing the right thing. Man, you are doing the right thing. So contact her. Genesis 2:24 said, a man should leave his family and hold on to his wife, and they will become one flesh. So, man, you are doing the right thing. Contact her and have conversation. Get ready to exchange photos. Give her your photo and she will give you her photo. When you like what you see, both of you will make appointment to see each other face to face. During your first meeting, go to the neutral ground. Please don't go to any person's house. Don't go to the man's house. Don't go to the lady's house. Don't go to hotel. Don't go to Charlie. Anybody that asks you to come to hotel or Charlie, please don't go. Don't go to the person's house at the initial stage, the initial meeting. Go to the neutral ground where you will be safe. And when going, tell one of your friend or relative or your parents where you are going to. And getting there, be ready to open up, tell the person the truth, nothing but the truth. Please don't lie, because if you lie, it will lead you nowhere, and at the end, it will lead you to heartbreak. So please say nothing but the truth. If you don't like the person, don't repeat the journey again. Yes, while I say if you don't like the person, don't repeat the journey again, is that you don't need to waste any person's time. Don't break anybody's heart. At the end, you will tell us story. No, we don't need to hear any sad story. Please, we need to hear testimonies. So if you like the person, please be fast about it. Go and meet the person's parents and prepare to go to altar for wedding. Good luck to all of you. Bye.